Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all safe. Today we are going to study chapter number 6 Saptvasraha. Saptvasraha, that means weekdays, or that means 7 days of week. Kah Vasarah. Kah Vasarah, that means Vasar, that means day. Kah, that means which. Which is the day? This is a question. Kah Vasarah, that means which is the day. Adya, that means today. Swa, that means tomorrow, and here, that means yesterday. Adya Mangal Vasarah. Adya Mangal Vasarah, that means today is Tuesday. If you have to write, you can write down the translation of the here. Okay, like this. Today is Tuesday. Clear? You have to write down the translation in the front of this sentence. Swa Budvasarah. Swa, that means tomorrow. Swa, that means tomorrow. Swa Budvasarah. Budvasarah, that means Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Here Somvasarah. Here, that means yesterday. Here Somvasarah, that means yesterday was Monday. If today is Mangalvar, then tomorrow is a Wednesday and yesterday was a Monday. Clear everyone? Okay. Now next one. Adya Sukravasarah. Here blank, swa blank. Here, that means yesterday. Swa, that means tomorrow. Adya, that means today. Adya Sukravasarah. Today is Friday. Sukravasara, that means Friday. If today is Friday, then which is the day yesterday? Which was the day yesterday and which is the day tomorrow? That means here blank. Here में क्या आएगा? If today is शुक्रवार, that means today is Friday. Then here Guruvasarah. Guruvasarah, that means Thursday. And Swa, tomorrow, that means Swa, that means tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. And Friday को संस्कृत में कहते हैं शनिवासरः. Clear everyone? If today is Friday, then yesterday was Guruvar, that means Tuesday, and tomorrow is Saturday. Clear everyone? Adya Sukravasara, that means today is Friday. Then here, that means yesterday. Then here was Guruvasar. Guruvasar, that means Thursday. Swa, that means tomorrow. Swa is Sanivasarah, that means tomorrow is Saturday. Clear? This blank you have to write down in your ways on your book. Now next. Adya Ravivasara, Swa Somvasara. Here Mangalvasara. We have to write down here Adya, Swa and here and again Adya. Clear? Now next one. Think and say. Adya ka vasarah. Adya budvasarah. Swa ka vasarah. Swa ravivasarah. Hya ka vasarah. Okay. Adya ka vasarah. Which is the day? Today. Adya budvasarah. Today is Wednesday. Swa ravivasarah. Swa, that means tomorrow. We have to write down in this. Adya ka vasarah. Adya budvasarah. That means today is Wednesday. Swa ka vasarah. Then what is the day? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. If today is Wednesday, then which is the day? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, so we have to write down Swa Budvasarah. Swa Guruvasarah. Clear? Next, Swa Ravivasarah. Tomorrow is Sunday. Then here ka vasarah. Then yesterday, which was the day? Yesterday. Yesterday was Saturday. So we have to write down here Shani vasarah. Clear? Okay. Now this is a table. Here that means yesterday, Adya that means today, Swa that means tomorrow. If here is a Ravivasar, that means yesterday was Ravivasar, then which is the day is today and which is the day tomorrow. If yesterday was Sunday, then today is Monday. So we have to write down Monday in Sanskrit like this. So vasarah. And tomorrow will Tuesday, that means Mangalvasarah. Clear everyone? Okay, next table. Here is blank and Swa is blank, but Adya is Guruvasar. That means today is Thursday. Then which was the day? Yesterday. And which is the day? Tomorrow. If today is Thursday, then yesterday was Wednesday. We have to Wednesday write down in the Sanskrit. Here Budvasarah and Swa Shukravasarah. Clear? Next three table you have to write down your own ways. Okay? Recite the following song. Prathamo varah somvasarah tatyasra mangalvasarah. Prathamo var, that means the first day is Monday. followed by Tuesday. बुधवासरश्च गुरुवासरश्च तत च शुक्रवासरः. Wednesday, Thursday and then Friday. शनिवासरश्च रविवासरश्च वाराणां परिवारः. Saturday and Sunday is a family of weekdays. परिवारः that means family and varanam that means weekdays. Okay, clear everyone? Now you have to complete the workbook also. Okay, so please complete the workbook. In here we completed the chapter number 6 Saptavasaraha, that means weekdays. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.